Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to check for Bush TV software upgrade. Press Menu. Scroll to Settings. Scroll to System, then press OK. Scroll to More, then press OK. Scroll to Software Upgrade, then press OK. Scroll to Scan for Upgrade, then press OK. The TV will search for any available updates. If there is an available update, please follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, scroll to No, then press OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.